Tom Brown is co-chair of the Congress Scientific Committee and also a professor of chemistry at the University of Oxford. Welcome. Tell me a little bit about your involvement with this event.
Well, as co-chair of the meeting, along with Bengt Nordin, I've been responsible for helping to set the scientific agenda, helping to choose the speakers, making sure that we get proper diversity and inclusion in the conference.
And how have you found the mood among delegates, and what have been the highlights for you?
Well, the mood, I've noticed, it's very clear that there are lots of young people around who seem to be having a good time, enjoying themselves at the conference, and that's great to see. In terms of the highlights, I've been to many talks. I've been to some short talks for as little as 15 minutes, 30-minute talks, and all the plenary talks, and I've enjoyed them all. It's been great to be able to appreciate chemistry in areas that I don't actually work on a daily basis. That's really interesting. But I've really enjoyed the plenary talks. I found them fascinating. The way that there's a kind of a common theme going through them. The speakers tackle really genuinely big, important scientific problems. They stick at them despite lots of difficulties. They use modern, up-to-date techniques, and they persist over a long period of time, and with determination and enthusiasm, and that works. That always works in the long run.
What do you think makes EuChemS stand out in the chemistry conference world?
There are a few very large chemistry conferences around worldwide. This is one of them. And these conferences in general stand out because you're able to see a great breadth of chemistry and meet people who you wouldn't normally meet in smaller conferences. But EuChemS is very special because it's a European conference, and it enables us to network with our European colleagues and collaborators in a way that's quite unique.
Is that under threat with Brexit?
Well, of course it is. It's under threat. It's an unknown. It's a complete unknown for us. We've spent the last 20 years or more working with our colleagues and collaborators in various European countries, getting joint grants together, forming some very close networks and collaborations, and that is under threat now, and that's a big worry. Big worry.
Just finally, what do you think the benefits are for delegates, researchers, for people coming to this EuChemS Congress?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, one of the big benefits is the ability to meet people from different areas of science and to set up collaborations and new networks, but also to be inspired by the quality and breadth of the science that's available for them to engage with.
Tom, thank you very much for your time.
Pleasure.